It's a beautiful vlog. We start a new vlog today. Oof, oof. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ooh. See how this thing wants to hurt my precious ear right now. This is the biggest hoop earring I've ever had. And if I'm being honest, I've never really had hoop earrings. I think I had one in secondary school, but it's not as big as this one. Anyway, hello guys, welcome to Hang It Over. It's your girl Oma. Thank you for clicking to watch and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, is there a subscribe button on your screen? Please click it, a notification bell pop up beside it. Select all so that you'll be notified every time I upload. If you're a returning subscriber, mwah! Thank you for always coming back. I definitely appreciate you. I'm starting a new vlog right now. Today didn't really go. So far, today is not going as I planned. I was supposed to do a live stream. If you joined that live stream and I wasn't acknowledging you or saying anything to you, I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart. You guys have not been this embarrassed in the longest time. I was on a live stream and my network became so terrible. And my friend told me that people were coming in and they were upset that I was not acknowledging their presence. You guys, I couldn't see you coming in. The network was a mess. I am so sorry. Um, well, I just filmed a video because this look cannot come and waste. And I just said, let me start a vlog since my kids are going to be coming back from school any moment from now because it's past 12 and on Friday they close by 12 o'clock. So the school bus will drop them any moment from now. But for the time being, I am going to go to the kitchen and see what I can do. I have a laundry that I'm supposed to put to wash. My machine is bad, but I have an amazing neighbor that allows me use her washing machine. So I'm going to put that laundry. If they are not using their machine right now, I'm going to put that laundry to wash in their machine. And I'm going to see what I can make for lunch. I'm supposed to make egusi soup right now. Maybe I should just go and do that anyways. So yeah, welcome to the vlog. I'm talking too much in this intro, Abi. Pele, forgive me. Forgive me. You guys, give this vlog a thumbs up. You're going to enjoy it, okay? Thank you for coming.
Get it. I mean, I just don't want it to be a Did you put all of the lights on the roof up by yourself?
Well, my dad left the hooks up all year.
Can
It's
I
a lot easier.
eat your food? Today that's so big.
You know, I can drop out of the water.
Why? No, that's ridiculous. No, if I did it, yeah, if you did it, you'd be my boss. But what I was gonna say is,
Guys, the kids are back now. They've been home for like 30 minutes. I want to quickly make a goosey soup so that we can eat swallow at night. I'm hot and sticky all through. Guys, I want to bath. But I thought if I finish bathing and then I'll still come to the kitchen and start cooking. So let me just endure and finish cooking the soup and then I can go and take my bath. My face is so hot. In fact, I'm sticky all through, but I don't even know why I covered the hair. But I don't want it touching my skin. Like I don't want the hair to touch my skin. So I covered it and it's hot. Like heat wants to finish somebody's daughter. People should pray for me. People should pray for me. So some months back, maybe 4 5 months back, I did a vlog. I didn't post that vlog. Let me put a clip from that vlog, what was happening at my backyard as of then, and then I will show you what is happening in my backyard now. See, they're trying to do the decking for the first floor. Like this is a completely, it's so close. I'm sure it's going to affect the ventilation in my house, but how I go do, you guys, how? So now is a full house. So you guys can see. Like this is right in my kitchen. Like see the distance. See my bar. See my kitchen net. See the house. Like you guys can see the distance. No ventilation whatsoever. If I bring out my mop stick and chook here now, I'm sure that it will touch all that stick. You guys, no, these people just blocked my air. What? So even though it's a hot day, this definitely made it worse. The lighting in my kitchen is worse now. I used to have very wonderful lighting in my kitchen when I'm filming, and there is no air. Like the small breeze that will be touching me, this house have blocked it. If I'm cooking now, steam, yeni ne heat a boom one mother. You guys should pray for me. The way they build houses in Nigeria is annoying. It's tiring. I'm sure there should be a law that is against two buildings that are not like semi-detached or duplex, like all those duplex semi-detached bungalow system. These are there is a fence between these two buildings and it's this closed. There should be a law against it. There should be a minimum amount of space, and this should not be it. But why am I complaining to? No be me get house. I no get the one that dey inside. I no get the one wey block am. Why am I complaining? Let me just cook my food in peace, abeg. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kana. Kana. Ow. Kiss, kiss. Kana. Kana, wait. Can I kiss, kiss? Ah! Oh my god, stop it. Ah! You're cool. Okay, bye. Jiden, go and finish your distance so we can go downstairs.
Mommy.
Yeah? My leg.
No, no.
Pull. Finish your work so we can go downstairs, okay? Kenana, go and bring your sandals. Kenna, go and bring your sandals. See my face. I'm so stressed. I'm wasting your time. What did you say?
Running our time.
I'm running your time. What does that one mean? Eh? Stop that. Stop that. Okay, you don't want to finish your work? Kenna, let's go.
No.
Can I go and bring your shoe? Let's go.
Don't leave me.
I will leave you.
No.
Go and finish your work now. Number what are you? Go and finish your work so that we can go. If you don't finish your work in 2 minutes, I will leave you here and go with Kenena. 2 minutes, that's what I gave you.